Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved use Audi S3 Saloon Vorsprung. This particular example does feature the Quattro 4-wheel drive system, as well as being finished in the upgraded Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which just give the S3 that standout road appearance. Now looking towards some of the key features, the S3 does feature a turbocharged 2-litre petrol engine which produces 310 PS, can take you from 0 to 62 in just 4.8 seconds, making this a very capable performance saloon. Now moving on and looking at the external key features, with this being the Vorsprung model, it does mean the vehicle features the adaptive LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Also a part of that Vorsprung specification is the upgraded sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which has let in that natural light into the interior. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the S3 Saloon, where we find up to 410 litres of storage capacity. There's a large amount for a performance saloon of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we find a full quilted nap leather interior with the additional diamond leather in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making the S3 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as fine nap leather, aluminium and carbon fibre. With this being the Vorsprung, it does mean the panoramic glass sunroof is fitted as standard with a manually adjustable blind, and on both front seats you get the Audi Sports S logo. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured that central Sports Audi rev counter. Besides this, you can access telephone connectivity and important vehicle data. To the screen above now we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation, as well as also having access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front occupants. To the screen above now we find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making the S3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi S3 Vorsprung, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.